Hello YouTuber. After a couple weekends hard work, the framing for my deck cover project had finished. It's ready for the final piece of material, roof panel. The roof panel will be attached to the house through wall connect flashing. Here's a simple illustration of the connecting diagram. The most critical part of this job is to seal the attaching point to make it rainproof. So instead of opening stucco wall and installing flashing, I decided to cut a horizontal groove on the stucco wall and insert flashing into it. Then seal up the groove with silicone caulk. Fortunately, it turned out to be a simple and efficient method, and here are some photos of the finished flashing installment. However, I must say, cutting a groove on a stucco wall is a dirty job. I would highly recommend wearing a mouth mask to avoid inhaling the dust. Okay, groove is cut and proved to work. Let's install the rest of the panels.